So here it is. We got the banner made for the event. Check this out, man. It is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And it's so big I can't even get it on to do a picture. I mean, I have to go to the other end of the room to get it, but man, look at that bad boy. 2018. War in the OC at the temporary shelter X and Allies G40 Bloodbath. Battle 1, September 22nd. Battle 2, September 23rd. And down here at the bottom here, Battle 3, September 24th, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd for the gold, silver, and bronze. Awarded Knight's Cross, awarded Iron Cross First Class, and awarded Iron Cross Second Class. And right here, special thanks to all those who made this possible. A lot of people have donated. A lot of people have donated. In addition to, a lot of people's names are not on this banner. Why? Because those people are going to be here. And that's why there's this big blank area here. I want everyone to sign it that shows up. And we need more room. We're going to sign it right here. I want this thing autographed all over the place because next year, why next year? Because Young Grasshopper has said his next tournament is in 2020, which means the next event is going to be held again by yours truly for 2019. And that banner is going to go right next to this banner. Oh, man. So, let me take a second, man. I know I haven't said thanks to a lot of people. That's because I've been waiting for this banner. So, I mean, you know, the Big E, Jim Davis, Ice Mac, Jeremy Grigg, Todd Heflin, John Pisano, Andrew Beach, Martin Triska, Richard Playo, Dan Volmar, David Miller, Matthew Todd, Brian Dunham, Zachary Wooten, Scott Melander, Tim Velsey, Neil Ferguson, Furkeron, Joshua Bolin, Minotaur, Jacob Peterson, and also, you know, if I'm pronouncing your names wrong, it's like 8, or in addition to, some of you, I don't know your online name, so, you know, I just had to do the name that was associated with the PayPal that you used, but Joshua Sampson, Christopher Piscoric, Big Al, Young Grasshopper, General Hand Grenade, Jorn, sorry buddy, I'm not going to say your last name, I have no idea what that says, but I love you buddy, Karsten, Baden, Frederick, Satur, and Jonathan Mayer, and of course, Historical Board Gaming. And I hope, Doug, you don't mind that I use your logo down there at the bottom of my banner, because it really looks really cool down there. Now, there are a few things else I want to do. There are a few people who have donated so much. So there's gonna be another video on that, but I know who you are, man. You know who you are, and just wait, man. It's gonna be something really freaking cool. But I just want to say thanks again to everybody, man. In addition to, I know if I didn't say your name, don't feel left out because you're coming. So don't worry about it, man. You get all the thanks all day long for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, man. But your names are gonna be all autographed right there. Oh man, it's going to be great. It's going to be great. So like I said, I just wanted to show this banner off. And remember in a previous video I mentioned about the donations for this is because I am coming up on my 1,000 subscribers. And if your name is not on this banner, you will not be in the drawing. You know, I mentioned that months and months ago. You know, 1,000 people is a bunch to sift through. We're just going to get down to the nitty gritty and who donated to this event. And how did you donate to this event? Well, remember I mentioned prizes, cash, or if you bought the map. You remember my video on the map. All the money I mentioned, why I was charging was to help with this event. And many of you, not only did you buy the map for the 20, man, but a lot of you spent $40, $60, $100 on that file, man. And thank you so much. And like I said, if I didn't say your name, it's because you're coming. Okay, we're going to do this again at the event. Man, I'm going to show this bad boy off with all the autographs on there, all the special thanks, and don't worry, man. You won't go unsung, man. You won't go unsung, because this is going to be a great event. I can't wait. It's only a couple weeks away. Actually, not even a couple weeks away. Week and a half or so. And man, oh man. So I am going to be doing some videos on strategy. Wendy has left town for a week, so basically I get to set up my game and leave it set up for a week. So hopefully we'll be doing videos here on out every day up until pretty much probably until the event happens. So like I said, just wanted to show off this banner. Wanted to get it printed last week, but my dude wasn't there. He took vacation on me. Man, how can he take vacation at a time like this? Man, I need you. I need you to be printing my stuff. All right, guys. Well, that's it, man. Just want to show the banner off, and we will talk soon. All right, bye-bye.